mountain where I was born, there are trees that would call my name. On the wind they would bring a song for every fairy to claim. They said keep your eyes open, and we'll teach you to dream while you are awake. Well, they haven't spoken since their branches were broken for the fire that they told me to. Fairy roots are calling me back home. Fairy roots calling me back home. On the book where my page was torn, there are words that I don't understand. All my elders, they tell me those ones were not written by human hands. Well, I just don't believe that's true. If the truth can be written, then the truth can be hidden. Those words